Today we're going to be unboxing a TP-Link 8-port Gigabit Ethernet network switch, and I'm going to explain why you need this. I wasn't paid to do this. This is something I needed for myself. Let's unbox it. Let me show you around. See what you think. It's happening right now. Okay, as you can see here on the back, it shows that it's for desktop, IPTV, game console, NAS. You connect it to your router, which is connected to your internet. So if you only got like 4 plugs on the back of your router, boom, now you got 8 more. It's easy to use, great performance, it's metal. Let's open it up and I'll show you. Ooh, egg crate. Installation guide if you need it. And here we are. And pull it out of the plastic for you. Ooh, yeah, you liked that, didn't you? Naughty. Okay, TP-Link 8-port Gigabit desktop switch. It's metal. Got your 8 ports, your power cord in the back, and then this. The sides vented on both sides. On the bottom is all your information. Lights up, shows you exactly which one you're using. Take your first plug that goes from your router, goes into the #1 spot, and then the other plugs can go in the back after that. Let's look at the other accessories. Here's your wall plug. Here's the plug that goes in right there. Ta-da! And just like that, you got a handy dandy switch. You can see here I picked it up March 28th of 2020 off Amazon, under $20. It's like 18 bucks now. Increases the performance, expands your network, ports for more reliable speeds, 8 times non-blocking gigabit ports for transferring larger files, bandwidth, intensive files without interference, multiple user scenarios, I will leave all the information and links down in the video description, just so you know. So that's why you need this. This is a handy little thing, and it's metal. Lifetime warranty on this. Hello, can't beat that deal. Always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech, helping you save money.
Ask me no questions, I'll tell you no lies. Your nose is big enough for a girl twice your size.
Hi, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it entertaining and helped save you some money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss any great free games or budget tech coming your way. Also, if you want to see more, make sure to click up there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.